Don't you just love to read? The ability to read and understand stories and passages is very important for your education. But as we read, sometimes it's hard to stay focused on the story. Our minds wander, or perhaps we just don't think what we're reading in the story is very interesting. Well, you'll be happy to know that there are some tricks that you can use to help you remember and understand what you've read. The first trick we can use are called self-monitoring strategies. These are things that you do yourself as you're reading, and they'll help you to remember what you've read. Just take the time while you're reading and ask yourself, what's happening in the story? What's happening with the characters in the story? Are the characters changing? What do I think will happen next? What is the problem or the conflict in the story? And was the problem solved? If so, how? A second tool you can use in your reading is visualizing. As you listen to the story or read the words on the page, create pictures in your mind that will help you to visualize what you're reading. Then use these thinking stems to enhance the pictures you've created. I am picturing. I can imagine. I can see, smell, hear, taste, and touch. As you progress in your reading, you'll start to take on long texts and passages. These long passages can be intimidating at first, but I've got some great strategies for you to use to help you to remember and understand what you've read. Don't be afraid to tackle a long text. First, read and circle the title. Then, number the paragraphs. Underline the topic sentence, and then read the paragraph. Circle up to 3 important words or phrases as you're reading. Stop and write what you are thinking. Then repeat steps 3 through 6 for each paragraph. After using these strategies, you'll be sure to score the right answer. And these tips will help you do just that. Underline important words in the question you're being asked. Then search back through the text to find the answer to the questions. You can eliminate choices that don't make sense, and then provide a paragraph number to serve as text evidence. Remember, reading is very important for your education. Use these strategies to help you learn and understand the information you've read and understand what's happening in the text. And then you'll be on your way to becoming a great reader.